Welcome to our YouTube channel The Daily Pros. You must have heard the name Cyclone. Recently you have seen Cyclone Biparjoy in Gujarat and Maharashtra. So let's know some of the main features and aspects of this cyclone. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe it. So let's start. A cyclone is a structure that occurs around warm air with low atmospheric pressure. When hot air from one side and cold air from the other side meet, it starts taking the shape of a circular storm. It is called a cyclone. Some cyclones are powerful weather systems characterized by rotating winds and low pressure centers. They are also known by other names in different parts of the world, such as hurricanes, typhoons, or tropical cyclones, depending on their location. Cyclones primarily form over warm ocean waters near the equator and can cause significant damage due to their strong winds, heavy rainfall, storm surges, and potential for tornadoes. Here are some key features and aspects of cyclones. Formations. Cyclones form over tropical oceans when the conditions are favorable, including warm sea surface temperatures of at least 26.5 degrees Celsius, 79.7 degrees Fahrenheit, high humidity, and a pre-existing weather disturbance. These disturbances can evolve into cyclones if they develop a well-defined circulation pattern and sustain winds of at least 74 miles per hour, 119 kilometers per hour. Structure. A mature cyclone typically consists of a central region of low atmospheric pressure called the eye, surrounded by an eye wall with intense thunderstorms and the strongest winds. The eye is usually calm, clear, and can range from a few kilometers to several tens of kilometers in diameter. The eye wall is where the most intense weather conditions occur, with strong winds and heavy rainfall. Intensity. Cyclones are categorized based on their maximum sustained winds using various regional scales. For example, the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale is commonly used in the Atlantic Ocean and northeastern Pacific Ocean, with categories ranging from 1 to 5, where category 5 is the most intense. Impact. Cyclones can have severe impacts on coastal areas and even affect inland regions. The primary hazards associated with cyclones include strong winds, which can cause structural damage and uproot trees, heavy rainfall, leading to flooding and landslides, storm surges, where the sea level rises dramatically and can inundate coastal areas, and tornadoes, which can form within the cyclone and cause localized damage. Tracking and forecasting. Meteorological agencies around the world use a combination of satellite imagery, weather models, and ground-based observations to track and forecast the path and intensity of cyclones. These forecasts help in issuing timely warnings to the potentially affected areas, allowing people to take necessary precautions and evacuate if necessary. It's important to note that specific characteristics of cyclones, such as their naming conventions, regional impacts, and historical records, can vary depending on the ocean basin they occur in. For instance, in the Atlantic and Eastern Pacific, they are commonly referred to as hurricanes, while in the Northwest Pacific, they are called typhoons. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.